Right, it's just after 6 AM Sunday morning. Malton breakfast meet today. We're going to go in the DC2, but it's really misty out, and the car is obviously has no heaters. What? Alright.
Yeah, it's working now.
Right, let's get on the road. I can't really see much from the inside.
Oh, what's it? Scaffold.
It's pretty misty already. But we'll have a go.
Alright.
Sitting there, yeah.
Sit.
Smash your feet on that battery.
Oh, sorry.
Right, it's 7:15-ish. Oh no, it's 7:45 now. We got here well early. It's not meant to start till 8:30, but as you can see there's loads of cars here already. Right, so I started coming to these meets about 6 years ago, and it's pretty small at the time, but these days so many cars come. They've got marshals on directing everyone, telling you where to park and stuff like that. It's got quite big lately. It's run by a company called Specialist Cars in Malton, who they do all like specialise in Porsches, but a lot of nice cars up there, so we're going to have a look. But yeah, used to be a place where you'd come and every car would be pretty fantastic, but these days you get all sorts of stuff.
Got a choke on it. Did I tell you?
No, still not started. That's spoiler.
Spoiler alert.
This S15 won't start up. I think he's given up as a bad job now. It's going to stay there forever. Right, we're all done at Malton now. It's been alright. Quite a lot of different cars here. A lot of supercars and stuff like that, if that's your kind of thing. Yeah, it's alright, I guess.
Peace out.
Yeah, Malton was pretty fun, but it does look like it's going to rain soon. We'll get off before we get drenched in here. car's not too waterproof at the minute. Right, it's just started pissing it down on the way home. I'm going to show you what third gear's like in this when it's raining, so just hold that a sec. Right, so this is why I don't really like driving the DC2 in the wet. Pretty wet, but that's like half an hour of driving in the rain. Not good. Not good. Do you know how these cameras work?
Yeah. You press the red button.
You're the worst cameraman ever.
I'll say something and put it to the fans. Don't know how well you'll be able to see the water situation, but it's pretty bad. My bag's back here as well, but that's soaked. Yeah. Not good. Well, the sun's out, so that's a start. We've got a couple of hours to kill before the Honda meet. Might try and fix that, but probably just go and play Xbox for a bit. I'll update you in a few hours. Bye. Okay, the car's dead. Just went to set off then. I'm guessing the water's got to something and blown something. Oh no, the lights have been on. Ah shit, maybe it's just a battery. Oh, what the fuck? Looks like some birds have shot all over the Audi as well. Oh, on the tag. Fuck. Right, Mum's gonna bump start the car for me. So second gear, yeah?
I might not even be able to reach pedals.
Just put the clutch in.
Yep.
And then when I say, let it out and try not to crash.
Do I put gas on?
No, just... Yeah. Right, ready?
Yep.
Right. I need to be a bit harder with it.
Yeah.
Let it out really hard. Just snap it out.
Just let go.
Right. Yeah.
I didn't snap it out.
That's not working, is it?
No.
Don't ever say the Audi's not a good car. Pretty late for this meet now, but I think that's to be expected. Right, moral of the story, don't leave your lights on. That was stupid. But we're on the road now. I need to wash the car first though, there's sort of bird shit that's on the front of it. So we'll give the car a wash and then head over. Yeah, I read on Detailing World about how bad the bird poo is for your car. They advise using a brush from a petrol station to get it off as quick as possible. So, thanks Detailing World. Let's get rid of that. We'll get the, I think we'll go for a wax gloss. Right, I think we've probably got more water in the car now than we did before, but it's somewhat clean-ish. Don't know what's happened to the door. Oh, that'll be from that, right? Okay. Yeah, I still need to polish all those marks out. They should come out easy enough, but fuck it. Right, let's go to the meet because we're already pretty late.
NSX here, and Adam from 621's there doing some videos on the NSX. Let's have a look at it. Hello, Mr. 621.
Hello.
Hello. I'm fucking
Hang on, wait,
can't
hang on,
see.
it's gone off the screen. Freddie just texted me.
I can't see. I've picked up a Chinese man as well.
Hi!
Racism,
Yeah.
racism.
Love you,
Alright.
love you long time!
Alright, the meet's just down here somewhere, so we're going to try and get parked up down there. Yeah?
There's no cars there.
Yeah, there is. I'm winding you up.
Anyway,
Bye, Mr. 621.
started.
Alright, so let's find somewhere cool to park.
We're gonna die! We're gonna die! It's the Nürburgring all over again! Oh shit, look at that! Should have gone to the gym, shouldn't you, mate? Dunno.
Nice little setup, isn't it? I can't see because I've got no fucking mirror.
Oh shit!
Am I in?
Job's fucked!
Is that alright?
Yeah, you're in.
That's what she said. Private roads, then, by the way, private roads.
Right, so we're at the Yorkshire Honda Meet. There's quite a lot of cars here, or there was. I've not been videoing, and everyone's gone home. FK2 there though.
Yeah, Joe Pro.
Hello.
Can't fit in.
That's what she said. Josh has never used a DSLR before and he wants to have a go.
Look at that, pray that. How do you look that?
This was like when he got his phone. Press play.
Damn. If you take this, it's got a polarising filter on the end of it. So if you look through the lens and twist the outer one there, you'll see it change the gloss on the car.
Alright. Hey, tell me about this before, you're real happy with it?
Give it a go. Come on. Alright. Look at your posh camera.
How you doing? Stop! How you doing?
Alright.
Right, so this is Adam from 621's new EK9. Looks pretty sweet. He somehow managed to get a guy to swap his CRX and some cash for this thing. Don't know. Right, this is pretty much done for the day now. So we've had a good day at Malton and the Yorkshire Honda Meet. Alright, we came a bit late, so we missed quite a lot of stuff, but I think this will be the last meet for the year in the car as well. We've got Alton Park next Saturday, so we've got another track day coming next week. Hopefully it won't crash. It looks like it's going to rain, and my tyres aren't the best. But we've got Rolex Dan's coming with us, and Josh coming with us as well. We're going to take the Amarok and put the car on the trailer, so that should be nice. Nice little drive over, and then hopefully a good day at Alton. So if you don't hear from me again, I'll see you next weekend. Alright, peace out.